Making sense of mixed conditionals. Master English grammar. Hello language learners. Today, we are going to explore one of the trickiest parts of English grammar, mixed conditionals. You've been waiting for this, and here it is. Mixed conditionals can seem a little intimidating at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be handling them like a pro. Mixed conditionals are sentences that combine two different types of conditional patterns, typically in the format of one clause using a second conditional, unreal condition, and the other using a third conditional, unreal past. This allows us to talk about a hypothetical situation in the past having an effect on the present or future. Here's an example to illustrate. If you had studied harder, past unreal, you would be at university now, present unreal. In this sentence, the speaker imagines a past event, you studied harder, and the impact it has on the present, you being at university. Mixed conditionals are used when the time in the if clause is not the same as the time in the main clause. They can be quite handy when we want to reflect on past events and their impacts on the present, or to discuss hypothetical future events that have a basis in the present. Remember, though, that we usually use mixed conditionals for situations that are contrary to real life. That is, the situations we're talking about haven't happened and likely won't. Now, it's time to practice what we've learned. Let's do a quick quiz. Remember, practice makes perfect. 1. If she be nicer to him in the past, they be friends now. Fill in the blanks. 2. True or false? If I had known about the traffic, I will leave earlier. Is this sentence correct? 3. Rewrite this sentence in a mixed conditional. She didn't study for the exam. She isn't doing well. Take your time, and remember the key rules about mixed conditionals we discussed. Well done, everyone. I hope that this video has made mixed conditionals a bit less scary. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. You're doing an awesome job learning English, and every step, even the small ones, brings you closer to fluency. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious. Happy language learning!